The United Nations preamble says, United Nations was established to protect dignity and rights of the people, and we, the Tibetan people, are also a same human being and same people as 7 billion people in this world. So we have a message for United Nations. Freedom House comes up with a report every year. 2 years ago, they listed Syria as the least free country in the world and Tibet as the second least free country in the world. This. You may choose to look the other way, but you can never say again that you did not know. That is why we are here today to tell the United Nations and the international community that you may choose to look the other way about the tragedy in Tibet, the sufferings of the Tibetan people. But we are here today to remind you, you can never say that you did not know, because we are here telling you with these coffins that 150 Tibetans have committed self-immolation. The environmental destruction is going on. Economic marginalization is going on. Social discrimination is going on. Cultural assimilation is going on. Political repression is going on in Tibet. That we want to make it loud and clear. Yes or no? Yes! So United Nations and the international community, you may choose to look the other way, but you can never say that you did not know. Because we are telling you today, and we will tell you again and again, till the issue of Tibet is resolved peacefully.
legi chimbu dinde thola chojoram ki dinde phewa ta dinde thola chojongi community crisis sona
re ta ti nga tanda de sargi gi didu ba cha de re guri so jungi ta zo de shigi che legi pyo go dumze zo de terin kamuru mu che la ya no be shi de sinda bi she de long ni zab ge ko ta de ne shin gi ji do mi to dang gi ni mu ke chim cha de ge de ta nga rang zu phe nang gi ne dan de za ru shu cha de ge na mo sang ke se ro di ta di la ya nga rang zu phe mi 저 변화의 비밀소리야 동생 냠게 준주도 되는 신기 기지 도움이 답단다 되는 신기다 냠리 계속다 아리 시슝군에 배던 돌아야 잡교 식축 침부지 나야기 체도 나란조 단다데 장거리 비리지든 소베 소진 강갑 종합배기 소진 갑게 타주슝 시송기 시게 제일이 대돌이야 땅아란조다 비미 숨동 개어지 단다 들이 냠춘난 거래 대 수셰 다 제림 저도 드미지 시레슈에
아니 저저랑기 타링 데라차 하다 쉔바 솔라 믹시기 다 할로 케젠도 하시나
땅아란 슝게츠 공부게 셰고야디 가르쳐도 거는 땅아란즈기 베베기 짜든도 미투지네 다 마네디 나란즈라고 라레데 미럽 게임부터기 단다보도 꿀레 섬기 미게 시켜요래 경우름지에면에 달롱 주다 두레 하와지 걸 나란즈 베베 짜든 디네신기 도아리 두기 체도 도미리기 체도 단다 시대다 점시회 돌아야 뱀무시기 랍진기 제딘 시장을 다 딩아란즈 미두지 저 균종낭 낭 고야지다 낭 툼예지 슝게지 차디거래 디디 슝게지 응면에 응지 벌숨도 아란즈기 베베기 레든 간디지나 체라 주순 간디지면에 타는 아란즈 베베기 저 속배 낭리야 냠슈낭 고야디 뱀무시 계짐을 슈에나 두지나
to have you here. So on this big event of the Solidarity Day, would you please share some few words to all Tibetans?
Yes, I salute the people of Tibet. I salute His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I salute those who are continuing the fight. And I feel that His Holiness the Dalai Lama has made a very generous offer to China also. And I've met many Chinese people who respect the Dalai Lama a great deal. And with the Dalai Lama, if China embraces him, China has a dialogue with him, and China acknowledges the autonomy of Tibet and human rights in Tibet, China's role in the world will be even larger than it is. And Tibet and the Dalai Lama can be, if China does justice for Tibet and the Dalai Lama, then China will have a very strong relationship with the world as a whole.
So what would you say to the younger generations of Tibetan for this solidarity event?
Stay united, keep fighting, keep the faith. You have endured a lot for a long time, but you will need to do it for some time more. Stay united, keep the faith, keep enduring, and your cause is absolutely just.
I would say thank you so much for making time to come here, and we're so glad to have you here. Thank you.
You're welcome.